birthday to you, Naryang. Wish ko is always healthy lang lagi dyan kasi malayo ka sa family mo, and then more birthdays to come, at ingat ka lagi dyan at mag-enjoy ka sa pupo kahit luging-lugi ka. Enjoy ka lang sa pupo, RC ka lang ng RC hanggang maubos yung pera mo. Charot lang. Daw, happy birthday, enjoy. And then, ano pa ba wish ko? More success, and then mag-ingat ka dahil malayo ka sa family mo, at ano pa ba? Basta enjoy lang. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. God bless always. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Mag-enjoy ka sa popo kahit wala ka ng pera. Bahala ka dyan sa buhay. Mag-RC ka lagi.
Mega love shoutout everyone. Meron lang po tayong babatiin ngayong araw na ito. Walang iba kundi si Nerissa Macabinlar ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Dam Naryang. Wishing you all the best. At ingat ka lang dyan palagi kung nasaan ka man. At alagaan mo ang iyong kalusugan. Wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na ito. At good luck sa Popo, more big win to come, pati na rin sa Whitey World mo. Ayan. Again, happy birthday!
Ayan, may babatiin na naman tayo ngayon. Birthday niya, si Nerissa Macabinlar. Hello guapa! Happy birthday sa'yo! Many more birthday to come! I love you! Happy birthday! Mama!
Nerissa, happy birthday. Wish ko na naway maging malakas ka all the way dahil ang puhunan natin sa bilang OFW ang ating health. Wala nang iba. So ngayon, maging malakas ka, matatag, at kung ano man yung minimithi ng iyong puso, naway matupad ngayong iyong kaarawan. Kung hindi man ngayong kaarawan mo, sa susunod, hoping and praying na soon, di ba? Not only on your kaarawan or maybe soon. So enjoy your day, Sisi Nerissa, and thank you for always supporting us or me. Yeah. So ingat ka palagi, and sana maging masaya ka lagi, at kung ano mga problema ang darating sa buhay, wag iisipin, wag siseryosohin. Always pray and be healthy. Happy birthday! Bye! Enjoy your day!
Yun, so binabati natin yung ating kaibigan dyan sa YT na napakatagal na nating kaibigan. Siyempre, kasama na natin yan noon at noon pa, yung hindi pa tayo mga moni. Si Madam Nerissa Macabinlar ng Taiwan. So, huwag ninyong intindihin niya mga background ko dyan. Basta yan ay okay lang yan. Huwag ninyong isipin. So, basta binabati lang natin siya ng happy birthday, and happy birthday at happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday ulit, Madam Nerissa Macabinlar ng Taiwan.
Hip hip! Hooray! Ayan, no? It's Nerissa's birthday, so I'm here in front of you. I will give a short greetings message for our birthday celebrant, no other than Nerissa Macabinlar. Ayan. Happy birthday to my dearest friend. I wish you love, hope, and everlasting joy and happiness in your life, no? Another trip around the sun with you. Sounds good to me. Ayan, no? I am grateful, Nerissa. You're a true friend to me. Thanks for another year of being an awesome friend. Ayan. May your birthday cake be sweet as you are, Nerissa. Ayan, no? Masasabi ko lang sa inyong lahat dyan, no? Si Nerissa dati is nabera yan sa akin. Ngayon, habol-habol na. Hingi-hingi ng birthday greetings. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang guys, when I was, nakilala ko si Nerissa Macabinlar, my family, all of my family was supporting her channel dahil meron siyang, lagi po siyang mayroong ka-LC. Hindi pa uso noon ang auto-clicker, kaya I am also the winner. Ayan, thank you for always, ayan, ganyan na palaro mo ni Rosie. Naka-lipstick ako ngayon, so, ito lang ang masasabi ko, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Mag-enjoy ka kasi a birthday is a once in a blue moon na mangyayari sa iyong life, no? Enjoy your day and be a good person always, and stay healthy, stay mabait, stay beautiful. Ayan, no? So, I wish you all the luck and happiness. Hope na always take care of yourself there in Taiwan. I'm here. I'm your friend until the end. Don't ever change the way you are, the way how to love me as a friend inside in the wide world. Ayan. So, enjoy lang. At saka, always take care of yourself dahil ikaw po ang breadwinner of your family. At saka, pagbutingin mo lang lagi ang work. At saka, don't forget to pray to our beloved Jesus Christ na the guidance is always nasa sayo lagi. Magtiwala lang tayo kay God kasi all of your dreams come true. But gawin yung sentro sa buhay si God. So, ayan. Once again, have a blast on your special day of yours. Happy birthday! We love you, Narisi. Friends na talaga tayo. Hindi mo na ako iniisip. I love you! I love you! I love you, Narisi. Mwah, chukuk, mwah. Happy birthday! God bless you more. Take care of yourself. Love you. Love you, love you, love you. I love you, I love you. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
Hello, thank you so much sa Mami Tess team. And sa araw na ito, nais kong batiin si Veneri Nerissa Macabinlar ng happy birthday. And thank you so much, B, sa support mo sa aking channel. And pasensya ka na, laging late akong magbigay. Dapat kahapon pa to. And wish ko lang na kahit malayo ka sa iyong pamilya, ang mahalaga, stay positive, stay strong lang, tiis-tiis lang. Darating din yung araw na alam mo yung hindi mo na kailangan mag-abroad. Kailangan makakasama mo na yung buong pamilya mo. And wag magpapagutom kasi alam mo yung mahirap magkasakit kapag nasa malayo tayo sa pamilya natin. Kaya wag ka magpapagutom, kumain ka sa tamang oras. Ayan. Nandito lang naman ako sa suporta sa iyo. Basta lang free lang talaga ako. And again, happy birthday. And of course, mahal ka namin ng Mami Tess team. And bye-bye!
Hi, mga Lods! This is Pina in the Bronx. Gusto ko lang batiin po ang ating friend, ang pinaka-supportive nating friend, kahit busy siya. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Nerissa Macabinlar. Happy birthday! Thank you sa support mo sa channel ko. At thank you din sa pag-greet mo sa akin last time. And then, this time, it's your day! Happy birthday! And more blessings, more birthdays to come. Good luck!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Ambing always. Sige ko doon sa paman.
Ayaw sagdi yung kagalingon niya. Baby.
Happy birthday, Lola! Sige. Kada. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Tara, Lola, oh.
Hello!
Yay!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung saan lupala ko man sa mundo. Then, I would like to greet Mama Nerissa Macabinlar. Have a great birthday, Mom. More blessing to come and more candles to blow, more years to come in your life. And love support from your YouTube channel. Thank you so much and big love shout out everyone. We grow together in YouTube and God bless. I love you, Mom. Happy birthday.